Hello dear students, in today's video we are going to discuss the next chapter, that is every drop counts. Suppose we all aware about the water shortage in different places, especially the states like Rajasthan, then Gujarat, etc. So what is the reason for this particular water shortage or shortage of water? The main reason is that the rain actually is very less. Most probably 1 or 2 days over a year it rarely rains. So again you can see, so what are the steps that they made in order to overcome this particular difficulty. So especially in a place called Jaisalmer, it is situated in Rajasthan. So almost around 650 years ago, so there was a king whose name was Gatsi. So he made a lake, it is called Gatsi Sar. Here Sar means lake, Gatsi. It was the name of that particular king. So the lake was constructed in such a way that there were 9 lakes. The first lake was at the top, then the second, then third, fourth, fifth, all. There were 9 lakes altogether. So as the rain comes, it was made in such a special pattern that the first lake that will get filled up first. So once it overflows, the water flows into the next one, then next, and like that. At last, all these 9 wells will get filled. And towards the next section, when we go, almost around 1000 years ago, there was a great traveler from Uzbekistan. His name was Al-Biruni. So he traveled to India, all these places, and he noted there are special designed wells or step wells. So people of those region, especially the southern Rajasthan, so people were so painstakingly made these wells. They are very expert. They were very expert in making those wells in order to preserve each and every drop of water. And those lakes and johars, so they used in order to collect water. And we can see there are different sources of water. So what is, we can see ocean, then lake, pond, rivers, glacier, then rain. Rainwater is of course a source of water, then underground water. So these are the different sources of water. So why there is, suppose in your locality, especially in Zero, there is not that much water shortage, even though our water supply department is working very hard in order to supply water, even though there is some problems in some areas. So we all used to get good and enough drinking water. So suppose you can inquire about your parents and grandparents, just you inquire about them whether they had faced any water shortage throughout their life or any particular period or not. Just you inquire about what are the tactics that they used in order to cope up with that particular situation. So in special areas, especially in Uttarakhand, so the people used to celebrate once the lakes and johars get filled with water. So they are used to celebrate festivals, and especially one special custom which is existing still in Uttarakhand, that is the newly married girl, once she reaches the new house, so she bows the particular stream or the nala from where they used to collect water. And especially there you can see stone carvings, especially decorated stones near the water points. And especially you can see there are specially designed pots, copper or brass, in order to collect water. And especially you can see in this Gatsi Sar, near to this Gatsi Sar, so people used to gather around. There were some proper places for festival, for communal gathering, and also for students to study. So especially then, this diagram shows how can we collect rainwater which is falling on the rooftop. So water being collected And this collected rainwater, which is harvesting, rainwater harvesting, that particular technique. So the rainwater which falls on the rooftops, so that will be collected off this particular place and that flows through this pipe to an underground tank. So even UNESCO also specially congratulated that particular effort for harvesting rainwater. So this particular tank, once it gets filled, so it can be maybe 10,000 liters or 20,000 liters or even more than that, 50,000 liters. So once this tank gets filled, so the water can be used all over for agriculture purpose or household purposes by using either by using a motor or by using normal bucket and pulley. And especially towards the end, when we come, so there one organization is a Tarun Bharat Sangh. What do you mean by this particular Sangh? It is a society or group of people who helps especially very poor people, those who are having too much water shortage or difficulty in gathering water. So in all this lesson, what we discuss is about the essence or why we need to conserve water. So especially there will be a war in the next century, so that will be definitely for your drinking water. And if you see, especially about South Africa countries, especially African countries, so they are once in a week they used to get their good water. So there are lot of places all around the globe that are suffering from water shortage. So even once in a week, once the supply comes, so people finds it very difficult to even get the water. Even they can't feed their animals or plants at all. So that was their situation. But especially in our locality, we are blessed with good and enough drinking water. So we must use this particular resource very carefully, so that we must preserve our existing lakes, then even ocean and our riverbeds especially. We must not throw all this garbage, all these waste materials into the ponds or stream. So don't make it dirty. So keep it safe and clean, neat and clean for the coming generations to use. Okay, take care and study.